First, you distribute the 2 to all the exponents because it's raised to the power of 2. Then, you add the exponents to the like bases. In this case, you'll be subtracting 2 minus 4, which gives me -2 for b. And then you move b to the -2nd to the bottom, and end up with c to the 10/3 and b to the 2nd. Again, it's raised to the power of 2. You distribute it. I put my bases together. Add the exponents because I'm multiplying like bases. And I'm getting b to the -14/3 and c to the 14/3. I move the negative to the bottom. This one, start by distributing the exponent. I distribute the exponent. And then I simplify it right on the next step. Then I'm going to subtract my exponents. So I subtract 1/4 from 9/2, minus negative becomes a positive. Subtract -1/6 from 3 becomes a positive, so my exponent would be 1904C, 1906. The next one, I'll split them up where I know the power of 4 is going to go to both the numerator and denominator. Distribute it. I already simplified it as I distributed it to get this answer right here. Then I come down here, I'm going to subtract 7 from b to the 2nd, and I'm going to subtract -8 from c to the 4th. The reason I did that so I don't have to deal with my negatives. And I'm going to have to flip it, so I just subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. I'll get b to the 9th, c to the 12th. On this one, I go ahead and multiply 3 times 3. Then I divide 3 into 9. I add my exponents on my like bases, which gives me b to the 0. And I also subtract my exponents of my like bases. b to the 0 is 1. I have minus and negative, so I add, and I end up getting 3c to the 17/4. Lastly, now here I go ahead and cancel out my 3's. Then I move b to the -2/3 to the top. I have like bases on the bottom, so I go ahead and I'm going to add my like bases here. And I get c to the 4/2, which is c to the 2nd, and I subtract top from bottom because I know 1/4 is smaller than 4/2, and I end up getting b to the 2/3/4, c to the 7/4.